Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Step into luxury living with this stunning fully furnished home. It is nestled just outside the vibrant town of Ocho Rios in St. Anne at Mansfield Estate. This beautiful home comes with 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, and sits on 0.37 acres of land. This exquisite property epitomizes opulence and grandeur, boasting a captivating design. Every detail has been meticulously crafted to create a sanctuary of elegance and comfort. From the moment you enter, you will be greeted by spacious living areas adorned with high-end finishes and luxurious furnishings. The expansive outdoor space is perfect for entertaining or simply unwinding amidst the lush tropical surroundings while enjoying a panoramic view of the Caribbean Sea. Marvel at the breathtaking views of the coastline and the vibrant town of Ocho Rios from the comfort of your own abode. Embrace sustainability with a fully solar-powered home and a built-in underground water storage supply. Whether you are seeking a serene retreat or a lavish getaway, this magnificent home offers the epitome of luxury living in one of Jamaica's most sought-after locations. Don't miss the opportunity to make this dream home yours. Make contact today for a private viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 1.5 million or Jamaican $230.8 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.